This house in Wenonah, New Jersey, was suffering big-time basement and foundation problems. The concrete walls and floor were cracked. Some of the walls and floor were starting to crumble, letting water and moisture get inside the basement. The family was tired of worrying about their cellar, and they didn't want mold getting into their basement and spreading into the main house. We were called in to help save the cellar. We had to replace the columns and footers, parge the walls to prevent leaks and moisture, replace the concrete floors with reinforced, safe concrete. We also installed a sump pump and pit to keep water out of this family's basement. A humidifier was added to strengthen the basement's defenses versus water, moisture, and mold. Once the new joists, columns, and footers were installed and the new floor was poured, we wire brushed the new walls, painted, and left this family's basement dry, safe, water, and mold-free.